Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Ghana in Focus. It's your boy Kojo Harrison right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some projects. Okay, I'm going to show you some projects that is ongoing here around Atomic Junction. All right, it's actually a footbridge which is under construction. Yes, right in front of Presec. That is Presbyterian Boys Secondary School. Yes, it is right there. So this is Presec, and then you're gonna see the footbridge which is under construction very soon. All right. Yes. So this is a signpost. If you see Government of Ghana, road safety improvement by turnkey construction of pedestrian bridges on hazardous locations, and the written location Presec. Yes, so this is the project which is ongoing. So actually I think they started last month, and I think that they are doing well. Yes, this is the project. They are now building the pillars, right? Because they have to build the pillars first before they do whatever comes with a pillar. All right, so they are building the pillars first, and then they are going to continue with the work. All right, so it is ongoing right in front of Presec. Yes, if you know Presec bus stop, that is where the project is ongoing, not too far from the University of Ghana, Legon. All right, so in this video you are going to see the IPS road, right? The IPS road, which was also dualized last year, but I think it's not yet completed, but it is currently ongoing, right? I wouldn't say it's ongoing, but it's done. It's left with some road markings, and then it will be opened to traffic. And also you are going to see the most beautiful university right here in Accra, Ghana. Guess what? Guess which university I'm talking about? The University for Professional Studies, Accra. So this is the IPS road. It is right. This is the University of Ghana Business School, and then this is the road I'm talking about. The road dualization, that IPS road dualization. So the IPS is actually the UPSA. It used to be Institute of Professional Studies before it has been changed to University of Professional Studies, Accra. Yeah, that is why this road is called IPS road. All right, IPS road. So this is the road. It has been dualized, but the cars, it is not yet opened to traffic, because it left with, I think, road markings and some few touches. And finally we are here at the University for Professional Studies, Accra, the fastest growing university in Ghana right now, the fastest growing in terms of infrastructure. In terms of infrastructure, they are the fastest growing. Very beautiful infrastructure. The school is really using the fees they are charging well. So this Abednego F.O. Amate Towers, one of the new additions. So this is their gate. Their entrance is also being reconstructed, and this is their new addition to the infrastructure in the school. A very beautiful building. All right, the campus is so clean and neat, so beautiful. Yes, so you're gonna see a lot in this at this university. So this is their assembly hall. This is the hub for a lot of events. Happens here at the UPSA auditorium. Most political events happens here. All right, a beautiful serene campus. Just that their campus is very small, but they have so many infrastructure. So this is another building which is ongoing, and this is the AstroTurf. Their astroturf is right here, so you can see people playing football on the astroturf. UPSA is actually one of the beautiful universities in Ghana. If I may say that it's going to be the most beautiful university in Ghana. Looking at the top-notch infrastructures, the top-notch buildings they are putting up. It's not easy at all. This is one of them. And this is their lecture halls, right? So if you're watching this video and you are dreaming of coming to this university, this is UPSA for you. Thank you all for watching this video. Please watch it to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like our video, comment and share.